welcome to my kitchen. Let's make sheermal today. To a bowl, add 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Make a well in the center. Add 1 tablespoon of instant dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder, 4 tablespoons of full-fat milk powder, quarter cup of melted butter, 1 egg. This is the secret ingredient for sheermal. This is half cup sugar syrup, 1 thread consistency, boiled with little saffron. To make this sugar syrup, mix 3/4 cup of sugar, 1½ cup of water, quarter teaspoon of saffron in a heavy bottom pan. Boil this until sugar dissolves and it becomes bubbly. Turn heat down and let it bubble gently for 5 minutes. Switch off the stove and cool the sugar syrup completely before using it in this recipe. Mix all these ingredients together. The mix should look like breadcrumbs. Over here I have got 3/4 cup of warm milk. Slowly add in milk little at a time while mixing to form a soft dough. Please do not over knead the dough. The consistency of this dough should be soft and sticky like this. Apply little ghee and smooth out the dough. Cover and keep it in a warm place for it to rise. It will take about 1 to 2 hours for it to rise, depending on the temperature of the house. Over here I have got finely sliced almonds and pistachios. Let's check the dough. It has doubled in size. Punch down the dough and divide it equally. You can make 3 thin sheermals and 3 thick sheermals with this recipe. For thin sheermal, take about 200 grams of dough, and for thick sheermal, take about 400 grams of dough. Form it into a ball, flatten it a little bit, and apply water on one side. Press the water side dough ball into the nuts so that the nuts stick to the dough. Now start rolling it into a circle. For thick sheermal, roll into a circle of about ½ inch thickness and 6 inches in diameter. If you'll be making thin sheermal, then roll it into a circle of about ¼ inch thickness and about 6 inches in diameter. If the dough is sticking to the rolling pin, then just sprinkle little bit of dry flour. Now prick the rolled dough with fork so that it does not puff up in the oven. Transfer this to a baking tray. Let's make another one now. Apply little water on the rolled dough. Over here I have got a dried cherry. Place it in the center of the rolled dough. Decorate it with nuts. Now let's make sheermal without nuts. Now preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush them with saffron milk before baking. Oven is preheated. Bake them for 10 to 15 minutes or until they are golden brown. Sheermal is out of the oven. They are perfectly baked. These are thick sheermals. Spread generous amount of ghee on both sides of the sheermal while they are hot. Traditionally, as soon as the sheermal is out of the tandoor, they are dipped in melted ghee. Over here I have got thin sheermal. Let's break this and see. It's baked perfectly and smells amazing. Over here I have got thin and thick sheermal. You can see the difference. Serve sheermal with kebabs, nihari, or any curry of your choice. You can also serve this with tea or Kashmiri chai. This is another way to serve sheermal with powdered sugar and a dash of cinnamon powder. My kids love to eat sheermal like this. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.